If you're taking GLP-1 medications like Ozempic or Wegovy for weight management, or you're thinking about starting them, you might be asking, what happens if I stop? Is weight regain inevitable? So today, we're going to look at the science and early data around stopping GLP-1 medications and what we know about weight regain so far. This video is for informational purposes only and is not medical advice. Always talk to your healthcare team about your specific health needs. Understanding this information up front can help you make the best decisions for your long-term health trip. Alright, let's start with the first thing to know, the powerful biology behind weight regain. When people lose a significant amount of weight, whether through diet and exercise, bariatric surgery, or medications, the body often responds in ways that make it harder to keep that weight off. This isn't a sign of personal failure. It's a complex biological process. Your body's metabolism can slow down, meaning you burn fewer calories at rest. Hormones that regulate appetite and fullness can also shift. For example, levels of ghrelin, often called the hunger hormone, can increase, while hormones that signal satiety, like leptin, might decrease. These changes can make you feel hungrier and less full, even after eating. GLP-1 medications, like Semaglutide and tirzepatide, work by directly influencing these biological signals. They slow down how quickly food leaves your stomach, which helps you feel full longer. They also act on areas of the brain that control appetite, reducing hunger and cravings. When you stop taking these medications, those powerful effects are no longer present. Your body's natural hunger signals and metabolic adaptations tend to revert to their pre-treatment state, or even become more pronounced, making it very challenging to maintain the weight loss. This is a key reason why managing obesity is often seen as a chronic condition, requiring long-term strategies. Now let's move on to the second thing to know, what early data shows about stopping GLP-1 medications. We have some important information from clinical trials that helps us understand what happens when these medications are discontinued. One of the most significant studies involved semaglutide, the active ingredient in Wegovy, which is FDA approved for chronic weight management. This particular study looked at what happened when participants who had already achieved substantial weight loss on the medication either continued taking it or switched to a placebo. The results were quite clear. Those who continued on semaglutide maintained their weight loss, and some even lost a little more. However, the group that stopped the medication and switched to a placebo experienced significant weight regain. On average, they regained about 2/3 of the weight they had lost within a year of stopping the drug. This isn't just an isolated finding. Real-world experience is also suggesting a similar pattern. It highlights that the weight-reducing effects of GLP-1 medications are largely dependent on continuous use. It's not a cure for obesity. Rather, it's a treatment that helps manage a chronic condition for as long as it's being used. This information is really important for anyone considering starting these medications, as it sets realistic expectations for the long term. Alright, let's consider the third thing to know, planning your GLP-1 exit strategy. While the data suggests weight regain is common after stopping, that doesn't mean you're powerless. Having a proactive plan can make a big difference, whether you're planning to stop or just want to be prepared. This strategy should involve a strong focus on lifestyle, support, and consistent follow-up with your healthcare team. First, lifestyle. This means doubling down on healthy eating habits and regular physical activity. Even while on GLP-1 medications, these habits are important, but they become absolutely critical when you stop. Focus on nutrient-dense foods, lean proteins, fiber, and healthy fats, which can help promote fullness. Regular exercise, including strength training, can help maintain muscle mass, which plays a role in metabolism. Think of these habits as the foundation that supports your body's efforts to maintain a healthy weight. Next, consider your support system. This could be a registered dietitian, a therapist specializing in eating behaviors, or a support group. Having professionals who can guide you through dietary changes, help you manage emotional eating, or provide accountability can be incredibly valuable. Family and friends who understand your goals can also offer encouragement. Finally, consistent follow-up with your healthcare team is essential. Before stopping, discuss a tapering plan if appropriate for your medication, and schedule regular check-ins afterward. Your doctor or pharmacist online can help monitor your weight, discuss any challenges you're facing, and other strategies. This isn't a set-it-and-forget-it situation. It requires ongoing engagement. Moving on to the fourth thing to know. Options if weight regain starts despite good habits. It's important to understand that even with the best lifestyle efforts, weight regain can still happen after stopping GLP-1 medications. This isn't a personal failing. It's often your body's strong biological response to significant weight loss. If you find yourself regaining weight, don't get discouraged. There are still options to discuss with your healthcare provider. One option might be to restart the GLP-1 medication. For many, obesity is a chronic condition, and just like high blood pressure or diabetes, it may require ongoing medication to manage. If the medication was effective for you before, restarting it could be a viable path to regaining control. Your doctor will help you decide if this is appropriate and how to do it safely. Another possibility is other FDA-approved medications for chronic weight management. The scope of obesity treatment is evolving, and there are different classes of medications that work through various mechanisms. What works best for one person might be different for another. Your healthcare provider can discuss these alternatives and their potential benefits and side effects. For some individuals, bariatric surgery might be an option to consider, especially if significant weight regain occurs and other medical management strategies aren't sufficient. This is a more invasive approach, but it can lead to substantial and sustained weight loss for many. Again, this is a conversation to have with your doctor to determine if it's right for your situation. The key message here is that weight regain doesn't mean the end of the road. There are always avenues to with your healthcare team. Finally, let's talk about the fifth thing to know: managing expectations and avoiding blame. This is a critical point because the allure of weight management can be emotionally challenging. It's easy to fall into a trap of self-blame or shame if weight regain occurs, especially after stopping a medication that helped you lose weight. It's vital to remember that weight regain after stopping GLP-1 medications is a common biological response, not a reflection of your willpower or effort. Obesity is a complex disease influenced by genetics, environment, and biology. Just as someone with high blood pressure might need to take medication long-term, many individuals managing obesity may also require ongoing support, which can include medication. Understanding this helps shift the perspective from personal failure to managing a medical condition. Before you even start a GLP-1 medication, have an open and honest conversation with your healthcare provider about the long-term outlook. Ask about the likelihood of needing to stay on the medication, what to expect if you stop, and what resources are available for support. This upfront discussion can help set realistic expectations and prepare you mentally for the ahead. It's also important to cultivate self-compassion. Your body is doing its best to adapt, and sometimes those adaptations work against your weight loss goals. Focus on sustainable, healthy habits, celebrate non-scale victories, and prioritize your overall well-being. If you find yourself struggling with feelings of shame or blame, reach out to a mental health professional or a support group. Remember, you're not the only one in this experience. So when considering GLP-1 medications, it's important to understand that they are powerful tools for weight management, but their effects are largely sustained through ongoing use. If you do stop, your body's natural biological responses can make weight regain likely. However, with a proactive plan that includes strong lifestyle habits, professional support, and open communication with your healthcare team, you can do this with more confidence. Always have these important conversations with your doctor or pharmacist online before making any changes to your medication regimen. If you found this information helpful, please consider subscribing to Pharmacist Online for more evidence-based health insights. We're here to help you understand your medications and health conditions better. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.